Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we will see how to prepare a nursery for the seasonal flowering plants. We are preparing this nursery into the middle of the monsoon, so we are going to prepare this nursery into the shade area. And for the flowering plant, as its seeds are very small in size, we will not do it the nursery into the soil. Instead of that, we will use the trays and prepare the nursery into those trays, and once the seedlings are mature enough, then we will shift it to the actual place into the garden. So let us watch now how I am preparing this nursery. So now to prepare the nursery, we are going to use these trays. We need to ensure that our tray height should be minimum 1.5 to 2 inch high, so that the new developing roots gets enough space to develop. Now we have filled these trays with a mixture of the soil, then some vermicompost, some leaf mold compost and some fine sand. So it will have a very porous and fast draining material is this. Now once we fill this tray, we need to make first the line to put the seed in. So we'll, with the help of some pen or some pencil or some stick, we can make the line like this. So while making the line, we need to ensure that this should not be deep more than ½ centimeter, and we are keeping around 2 inch distance between this line. So the row to row 2 inch and depth is around ½ centimeter, that is 1/4 of the inch. So we are taking this line first. All this line we will do. Once we complete this line, then we will take the seeds. Now we need to put the seeds little away from each other. So we'll take some seeds and gently put these seeds into these lines so that some distance is maintained between them. We have to keep very loose hand while putting these seeds so that the seeds are delicate, so it will not get damaged. Once we put all these seeds into this line, now you can see that this is small seeds we have put in this line. Some of the seeds are getting outside the line, so we simply need to take those in the line. So we are correcting this. Some more seeds are at the place, we are separating it out, and now you can see that they are almost uniformly spread. You have filled all the empty spaces, and after this we need to simply cover this with taking the same soil from this. So you can see this, a sowing work is over. Now we need to water it and cover it for the 2 to 3 days so that germination process will start. So friends, after putting all the seeds into this tray, we have put this tray with a good amount of water and arrange like this, and then cover it with the plastic so the moisture doesn't lose and seed get germinated fastest way possible. Now it has been 2 days and we have seen some sprouting over there. So we are removing this plastic cover now, and now you can see that all the sprouting is coming out. If I give you the close look, you can see this. You can see this. So all the seedlings are coming out. Now what we need to do? We need to simply maintain the water level so that our seedling get the good amount of nourishment and moisture, and it grows very well, and we can transplant them within 15 to 20 days. So this is how we need to grow our seedling.